Cannot find eggs this morning, but you know what? Loud ass truck. Yo, like for some reason I cannot find eggs, but you know what? The search continues. We gonna get eggs.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Subscribe, motherfucker.
If I knew what I knew in the past, I would have been like that on your ass.
Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. One of the beautiful things about being here in Ocho Rios is that it's sort of like being in an American city, like down south. It's not so much as being in a whole other country. It's a weird feel to it. But dogs nowhere here like me. As soon as you pull this camera out, they be like, nope, get me out of that. I don't want to be a part of that. Like, dogs act like old black women when you pull out a camera. I don't know why, but I cannot find eggs for some reason. You know what? We're going to have to remedy that. The search continues. I'm going to get me some eggs. I don't care what nobody say. I want eggs. Right now, we're just out here exploring Ocho Rios. She a little tired, had to sit down for a second because we don't know where we're going. We just moving around this bad boy. What you think we should do, baby girl?
We're just walking.
You just walking? You want to do more than walk, don't you? You don't care? All right now. She don't care. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that though. Houses all up in them hills. Love it. I want to check them out, but I don't got the time, I think. This is where I lost sound, and right now I was trying to figure out what in the hell a haberdashery is. For some reason, I ain't never heard of a haberdashery. If you have, please comment below. I want to know what the hell has been happening in these dasheries. Now, I ain't gonna lie, but Ocho Rios is kind of juking way harder than Port Antonio. Even though Port Antonio, that's like my home right now. This place is a dope place to visit because they're a little too expensive at times, but it's still nice. What you got in that bag, Joe? What you got in that bag, Joe? How y'all doing? Yeah, so I'm thinking we might get some Burger King, even though we in Jamaica and stuff. Double Whopper? You fat, huh? Yeah. She fat. She think her double Whopper. Let's do it then. No, that line, though. That line is... this line is remarkably better than the KFC line. So that shows you already that, like out here in Jamaica, KFC is totally shitting on Burger King. But still, I don't even know if I want this no more. This ain't even enough Jamaicans in here for me to want it. This might not be worth it. I'm cool. No, I'm good, baby. Go ahead. Like, share, comment, subscribe or something. But like I said, this is crazy. Like, nah, look, when I was look, let me talk to y'all for a second, people. Nah, look here. Look, when me and I was in Port Antonio, we was in that KFC's. That line was crazy. That's how you knew this food was gonna be like substantial, right? But look at this shit. It's like 20 people in here. It's more people. Look, it was more people in my last court appearance than it is inside this bad boy. I don't know if I want this. Forget this. I might make my own damn burger. Damn it, I missed it too. Ooh, creamy treats. Is that ice cream? You want ice cream? Yeah, we finna go get some ice cream. Yeah, she's so cute. I guess this is the Jamaican version of Cold Stone Creamery. We finna make it happen though. Look at them tattoos. This is telling a story.
In the night when she hears them calling. Even when she's dancing to relieve the pain. She'll never walk away. I don't think you understand. She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene.
Yeah, guys, I'm here getting some decent ice cream. I'm not gonna lie, I've never had a vanilla fudge before in my life. I don't even know what vanilla fudge is, but I'm getting a milkshake, vanilla fudge, chocolate, and cookies and cream. We gonna check it out, baby.
Every head turned with eyes that dreamed of being the one who would dance on the floor, hear the round bell.